Hi, I'm Adam Hamlick, Applications Engineer with Okuma America, and today I'm going to show you the MB5000H2. After making its debut in 2018, the MB5000H2 continues to evolve with even more game-changing functionality for your shop floor. This next-gen horizontal uses a revamped disc magazine for better floor space efficiency. The MB5000H2's automatic tool changer servo shutter allows for quicker opening and closing of the tool change door, resulting in even shorter cycle times. The roller cam gear driving the B-axis gives you more dynamic and fluid movements. Modular weight covers protect the internal components of the machine while ensuring easier maintenance procedures. Rigidity and maximum tool length are all greatly increased, helping you achieve more in less time. Poor chip evacuation can lead to issues like conveyor stoppages, poor surface finishes, and shortened tool life. The MB5000H2 has an improved chip evacuation system to cut down on any of these issues. Redesigned with improved functionality, the new MB5000H2 is everything your shop needs to do more with less floor space.